The Americans with Disabilities Act, often referred to as the ADA, is a vital piece of legislation that plays a significant role in ensuring equal rights and opportunities for people with disabilities. Enacted in 1990, the ADA is a law in the United States that aims to prevent discrimination and promote inclusivity for individuals with disabilities across various aspects of life, including employment, public services, transportation, and more. The ADA emerged as a response to the widespread discrimination and obstacles that people with disabilities encountered in their daily lives. Before its enactment, there was a lack of consistent and comprehensive laws protecting the rights of individuals with disabilities. This resulted in a society where many were denied equal access to education, employment, and public services solely due to their disabilities. The ADA aimed to change this by establishing a clear and enforceable framework to prevent discrimination on the basis of disability. One of the driving forces behind the ADA was the recognition that people with disabilities have the right to participate fully in society without being treated as second-class citizens. This principle aligns with the core values of equality and justice that the United States holds dear. The ADA's provisions are not only about ensuring physical access, they also extend to guaranteeing equal employment opportunities, reasonable accommodations, and fair treatment in various contexts. The Americans with Disabilities Act is a significant move towards fairness. It supports the rights of people with disabilities and works to remove unfair treatment from different parts of life. The ADA's beginnings are connected to the fight for including everyone. It shows how much can be accomplished when society unites to safeguard and uplift those who are more susceptible to discrimination.